Alright, here's a tip for you guys that don't have a scroll saw. My brother's doing a little cutting with some plastic. So he just mounted the jigsaw in the vise, brought her down. It's got this old pedal off of, I don't know, it's off another piece of equipment. But you could build that out of plywood. Got a string going up. Alright, give us a demo.
Alright. Carol. Works. Go slow, go fast.
Just like that.
100%.
So, I know it takes a few brain cells to come up with these little ideas, but it only takes 4 to operate it. So, this is a great idea. Give it a try if you have to. Remember, it's only a flange. It's not forever. But it'll get you through.